So I bought these Adidas NMD Boost gym shoes a couple years ago, and unfortunately I'm just now getting to the footage, but better late than never, you know? I got them from the Adidas app where they're on sale for around 110, which certainly beats 150 where I've seen at some of the shoe stores I was looking at the time. I like to get a deal when I can. I really like the style and the color of these shoes. They're really aesthetically pleasing and I still really like them after over a year of wear. I don't wear them often so they always stay nice and they're comfortable and they look good with some of the things I styled them with.